In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a project. By the end, you'll know exactly how to tuck away a project you no longer need to see every day without deleting any of its data. Archiving is perfect for keeping your workspace clean, reducing clutter, and helping your team focus on what's active right now, while preserving historical work for later reference. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in and that your account has permission to manage projects. Some organizations restrict archiving to project owners or administrators, so if you don't see the option, that's usually why. Let's start by clicking Projects. You'll typically find this in the main navigation, either in the top bar or along the left sidebar. Clicking it brings up your full list of projects, often with filters and a search box to help you narrow things down. Think of the Projects area as your hub for everything you or your team is working on. Next, find your project. If your list is long, use the search field to type a few letters of the name, or sort by most recent activity to bring active items to the top. Double-check you've selected the right one by looking at the name, the description snippet, or the last modified date. Taking a few seconds here to confirm you've got the correct project helps you avoid archiving something you still need front and center. Once you've located it, click the archive icon. Depending on your interface, this might look like a box, a filing cabinet, or it could be inside a 3 dots menu next to the project name. Hovering over the icon often shows a tooltip that says Archive, which is a good way to confirm you're clicking the right control. Remember, archiving is non-destructive in most tools. It simply moves the project out of your active view. Finally, confirm the archive action. A confirmation window will pop up explaining what happens next. Read the message so you understand the impact. Then choose Confirm or Archive to proceed. You might see a quick status notification letting you know the project has been archived successfully. From this point on, the project should disappear from your active list and move into an archived area where it stays safe and accessible for future reference or potential unarchiving. That's all there is to it. Click Projects, find your project, click the archive icon, and confirm the archive action. With just these steps, you can keep your workspace streamlined while preserving valuable project history for later.